We're here with Michael Williams, Jamaican Consulate in New York. So we see a premiering two juices here, fruit punch and the ginger beer.
It's a blessing to be here premiering the natural fountain juices, because as you know, we supply these juices over 50 restaurants and everybody loves it. It's all about the health. The ginger beer is the best ginger beer in the country, hands down. Natural fountain ginger beer is the best ginger beer in the country. And we supply over 50 restaurants throughout and to New Jersey. So, just reach out to the local restaurant and just pick up a ginger
Anyone
beer.
wants to carry it, tell us what your number is.
My number is 917-912-3973. If you want to carry the ginger beer, if you want to carry the line product on a whole, reach out to me, Michael Williams, 917-912-3973.